How to cancel Clarity Check subscription. If you're being charged by Clarity Check and you want it to stop, this is the fastest and safest way to cancel your subscription. Many people make the mistake of deleting the app and think that's enough. It's not. Uninstalling the app does not cancel the subscription, and charges can continue. First, you need to remember how you subscribed. Most users signed up either through the Apple App Store or Google Play. If you used an iPhone, open Settings, tap your name, go to Subscriptions, find Clarity Check, and tap Cancel Subscription. Make sure it shows as canceled before you exit. If you're on Android, open Google Play, tap your profile icon, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions. Find Clarity Check, tap Cancel, and confirm. Again, don't leave until you see a confirmation message. If you subscribe directly inside the Clarity Check app, open the app, go to Account or Settings, find Billing or Subscription, and cancel from there. Follow all confirmation steps. Some apps require more than one tap. After canceling, check your email for a confirmation message and save it. This is important in case you're charged again by mistake. Also, keep an eye on your bank statements for the next billing cycle. Remember, canceling the subscription stops future charges, but it does not automatically delete your account or personal data. If you want everything removed, look for a Delete Account option inside the app after canceling. If this helped you stop unwanted charges, leave a like, subscribe for more quick how-to guides, and comment which app you want to cancel next. See you in the next one.